stock is boring, and you are not. Create, ride, inspire. MadMan Wrench Works presents Install and Ride Series.
This mod fits on all Can-Am Rykers, both the Sport and the Rally editions. Wider visual stance, a finished edge that blocks road grime and debris while completely changing the attitude of the machine. Every MadMan Aero part comes in an array of colors to choose from, and in 2 different material types. The first option is a high-density polyethylene outdoor-grade material. The second option is what we like to call Mad Glass. Now, before you get to installing, make sure that you have all of the right materials and tools ready for the job. This way you have a nice and smooth install experience. This mod includes hardware and a template for you to use. Make sure you have a marker, a size 10 wrench or socket, a quarter drill bit, a T25 torque screw, a drill. I like to make sure that I always have a microfiber towel handy, and of course a Bluetooth speaker to vibe out while you wrench. Now, step number 1, you want to begin by turning the handlebars full to the left or the right, depending on which wheel you plan to start with. This will provide adequate clearance to access and install the wheel flare comfortably. Step number 2, use the supplied template to align it with the wheel flare. Ensure that the notches are positioned flush against the rear edge of the wheel opening. With the template tabs sitting flat and fully seated. This placement represents the optimal mounting location and helps prevent interference or contact with any other of your motorcycle components. Step number 3. Mark the mounting hole locations using a marker or a pencil. Once marked, you are ready to begin drilling. Now, the stock wheel flare fairing is actually fairly soft plastic. A little tip here, when you're going to drill, I like to use the weight of the drill itself to push down on the panel as I start to drill slowly. Step number 4, you want to align the wheel flare with the drilled holes and install the components using the supplied hardware in the following order: screw, washer, wheel flare, Ryker fender flare, and then bolt. Now, another little tip here, when I'm tightening these bolts, make sure that you ease in to the amount of tightness you want. I try to tighten it just enough to where I know things won't be loosening. If you over tighten way too much, you run the risk of damaging the OEM wheel flare. Now, once you've completed this process, you just apply the same steps on the other side. After you've completed the installation, when you turn your wheel to the left and to the right, you will notice that our products are designed with all the gaps and tolerances in mind. And it's as simple as that. Now you've successfully added an extra stance as well as an aggressive look to your ride. Feel free to check out our other products, as you will find other elements and mods that allow you to create the custom bike of your dreams to make your ride truly and uniquely yours. Ride safe, everyone. Until the next one, create, ride, inspire.